Tired of Chrome automatically opening every file you download? Stop the interruption and take control in just 30 seconds. Here's the thing. You're working, you're in a flow, and then you download a PDF or an image. Suddenly, Chrome yanks you out of what you were doing and opens it in a new tab or launches some program. It's annoying, it breaks your focus, and it clutters everything up. But you don't have to live with it. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to toggle it off. Let's dive in. So let's start with Chrome open on your screen. Just make sure you're on your main window, nothing fancy needed for this. Now, look at the top right corner of your browser. You'll see 3 little dots stacked vertically. That's the menu button. Go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down that pops up, you want to select Settings. It's got a little gear icon next to it. Click that. This is going to open up a whole new tab with all of Chrome's settings. Over on the left side of this page, there's a sidebar with a list of categories. Scroll down that list until you find one that says Downloads. Click on that. Alright, here's the key setting we came for. Right in the middle of the page, you'll see a toggle switch next to the option that says Show Downloads when they're done. By default, this is usually turned on. That's the thing that's been interrupting you. So just click that toggle to turn it off. When it goes from blue to gray, you're golden. Now let's check it to make sure it worked. Go ahead and download a test file, maybe a picture or a small PDF. This time, instead of popping open in a new tab, you'll see it quietly appear in the download bar at the bottom of your screen. You control when you open it now. It just sits there waiting for you. If you want even more control, there's another setting right below that one. It's called Ask Where to Save Each File Before Downloading. Turn this on, and every time you download something, Chrome will ask you exactly where you want to put it. It's perfect if you like to keep your desktop organized or you don't want files just piling up in your Downloads folder. One quick tip from years of dealing with this stuff. If you turn off that toggle and it seems like Chrome is still opening files, check 2 things. First, make sure your Chrome is updated to the latest version. Click that 3-dot menu again, go to Help, and then About Google Chrome. If there's an update, let it install. That usually fixes any weird glitches. Second, take a look at any extensions you might have installed. Some download managers or productivity extensions can override Chrome's default settings. Try turning them off one by one to see if one of them is the culprit. And that's all there is to it. No more random tabs opening up, no more lost focus. You are now in charge of your downloads. Go ahead and enjoy your uninterrupted workflow. Thanks for watching.